Hazrat Qais radiyallahu anha says, I took my baby to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and I had got his palate uvula pressed due to the swelling of his uvula. He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, why do you agonize your babies by pressing their palate uvula? You should use Indian aloes wood for it, for there is a remedy for 7 diseases in it. Pneumonia, pleurisy is one of them. In case of swelling of uvula, it is sniffed through nose, and in case of pleurisy, it is poured into mouth. So I, Sufyan, heard Zuhri say he narrated to us only 2 diseases and did not express 5. Alaqtu anhu, which I have learned hearing from the mouth of Zuhri. And Sufyan narrated the condition of the boy in the way his throat was pressed with the fingers, and Sufyan inserted the finger in his throat to display in this way that throat of the boy was pressed with the finger, and he did not say Alaqtu anhu shay'an. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 5713.